Welcome to Garmin Fun Fact. Have you ever wondered why the D2 Delta series called Delta? D2 series from D2 Bravo to follow up D2 Charlie and the latest D2 Delta. Required aviation functions include airport data, NEXRAD weather, navigate flight plans, METAR and TAF. Garmin often names its wearable devices by using numerical order, but D2 pilot watches are named after aviation knowledge. International Radio Telephony spelling alphabets. International Radio Telephony spelling alphabet originated in the 1950s in order to avoid misunderstanding when communicating, and because it was widely used by the NATO during the war. It is also commonly known as NATO phonetic alphabet. It has been approved by ICAO for use in civil aviation, and is used in communications in North America and Europe prevalently. For example, when someone is on a phone or radio, X is B for Bravo or D for Delta. It's confirmed with you again whether you are speaking letter B or D. Now you know where the unique name of the D2 series comes from. Thanks for watching. See you next time.